We've all seen it and we've all feared it. Ordering a package online for it to arrive at your doorstep damaged or stolen. I ordered a pair of sneakers today from Finish Line, and again, they have disappointed me. What's up, everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you are new to the channel, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. We do a new video almost every single day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 reasons I don't like ordering sneakers online. Now, these are just general reasons. In a later video, I will go over why I don't like ordering from StockX, Go, and eBay, even though they are so popular. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how my package arrived. So first things first, I prefer seeing the shoe in hand before I buy it. I want to see the condition of the box, if there's any marks on the shoes, imperfection, if one shoe has started to yellow, scuffs, missing lace bags, missing accessories. Those are all things that I'm able to look at when I have the shoe in hand. When I'm ordering online, I'm putting faith in another company, another business to really send me a pristine pair of shoes, and that's just something I don't like doing. So if I'm ordering a shoe, right, they're going to probably send me a shoe that has a damaged box or has an imperfection. That way they can get it out of their store and get rid of it. Now, I'm not saying that always happens, but I'm saying there is that possibility. Although when I'm there, I can make an informed decision on if I want to buy the shoe or not based on how it is in front of me. If I'm ever buying a new sneaker silhouette that I've never worn before, I definitely want to go to the sneaker store and try it on first, see how it fits. Is it a narrow shoe? Is it a really wide shoe? What is the fit looking like? That's something I have the ability to do when I'm in the store. Second thing is I don't want to waste time or money. When I order something online and I have to return it, I'm wasting time, which wasted time is wasted money. Back to that store or see how much it's going to cost to return it. I have to figure out what I'm now going to do with that package, and that's something I really don't want to deal with. When I go in the store, I'm buying the shoe because I already know the condition it's in, that it fits, and everything is good with it, and then I just take it home. Third, and this is very important, if I order something right, it has a possibility of getting stolen, and that's something I don't want to deal with. When you guys know a package is coming in, it's kind of like, alright, until the package gets here, I can't do anything else. I have to wait for my sneakers to get here. I can't go to the market. I can't go here, there. I can't go watch a movie. I have to wait to get my sneakers. Obviously, with some online releases, that's kind of fun, you know? You have the anticipation of waiting for your sneakers. But that's not what I want to do all the time if I'm ordering a lot of sneakers. I want to know that my package is going to get to my doorstep safely. And the best way of avoiding getting a package stolen is just go picking it up yourself. There are options when you can pick it up from whatever mail provider you're using. But still, I just prefer to get it in store because I can take it home the same day. So before we get into this pair, this is not my first purchase on Finish Line. My previous purchase didn't go well at all because I ordered a pair of Question pink toes and the suede on the right shoe was really messed up. Alrighty, so here is the box. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, from the front to the back. Oof, that's a pretty big dent. Then the bottom, see right there, and then the back too. So it's not terrible, but it's not something you would want to arrive at your doorstep after you're all excited to get your new shoes in. That's not the worst part. The worst part is when you open them, you can see that they look worn. There's no creasing on the toe box, which I am extremely happy about. And the stuff I'm going to be pointing out may be from Finish Line, it may be from Nike, but the main thing is when you go to get a drop on release date, like when I go pick up a pair of shoes that I won from a raffle, I still have the ability to look at them. That mark right there, and then getting into this midsole, you can see looks like this excess glue really all around the midsole. Getting there, you can see more here as well. Overall, was it a terrible purchase? No, but it's just the fact that the company couldn't meet your expectations. Let me know if you guys like ordering online or going to your local sneaker stores. Tomorrow's video, which is going to Nike Las Vegas to see what they have sitting, that video is going to be a banger, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Until next time, guys. Peace.
Bro, what? What? J Balvin? Yes, what?